Subscribe to the channel yet? If not, click the link below. I've got more haul videos. More haul videos from the 100-mile garage sale. Hi everybody, it's Stacy. I'm so glad you came back to see what other wonderful treasures I found on the 100-mile garage sale. It was pretty awesome. If you haven't yet seen the video of me and my sister going around for 3 days, I can put a link in the cards. There's also some other haul videos of the artwork and yeah, some vintage goodness. I'm gonna start out and I'm gonna go right into it because I got a lot of stuff. The first thing I wanted to show you was this cute little guy. Isn't he cute? He's like a salt and pepper shaker. And it's from something B company. I know nothing about it. I got it at a charity sale for Habitat for Humanity. And they were doing the whole donate what you think is right. I hate that. I really, really hate that. Except on one thing they didn't do it on. But I got him. And it just, I couldn't not get him. I mean, look at him. Look at his face. He's just adorable. I don't know what I'm going to do with him. I don't know if I'm going to keep him. I don't know if I'm going to sell him. I also got a set of 8. Really great blue mid-century. Well, these are probably from the 70s, 60s or 70s coffee mugs. Don't know who the man is. Libby. No, it's not Libby. Anyway, I don't know who the manufacturer is. I'll have to look it up. But really great bright blue set of 8. Couldn't pass that up. And the only thing they did have priced was their vintage Tupperware. And I'll show you that in a minute. This was not from that sale. Vintage Tupperware canister. I got this because I had a few weeks ago picked up a set of vintage Tupperware canisters without this one. And I was at a garage sale and this one was $2. So I bought it. It doesn't have the original lid. It's got the crystal replacement lid. So what happens is you can get replacement lids for your Tupperware if you lose them or break them or whatever. You probably already know this. But they clearly didn't have the yellow ones anymore, so they replaced it with a clear top. So that's the only drawback on this one. But now I have a full canister set. So anyway, there's that. And I know there are other Etsy sellers who sell replacement lids in the same color. So if you buy that set, you can just get a replacement lid. Other Tupperware that I got, and this was at a different sale as well, were these wonderful little parfait glasses with the lids. So I remember these growing up. My mom used these all the time. She put Jell-O in them. She put pudding in them. She'd do the layers, the pudding with the whipped cream and pudding and whipped cream and pudding and whipped cream. Or she'd do layers of Jell-O in them. Remember these? The whole set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They're going on Etsy as well. Set of 6 in the blue. Wonderful little parfait glasses. I was super excited about that. And did I mention that I got some Tupperware? Some Tupperware. This is from the Habitat for Humanity sale. This entire bag cost me $3. I don't even know what's in here. I have no idea what's in this bag. I could kind of see some pieces through the side. They had like 7 or 8 bags of these out on the grass, and each bag was $3. So this was one of the only things they had priced. Oh, screw it. I'm not going to try and open it that way. So yeah, I don't even know the quality that's in here. Another yellow. This is a sandwich keeper. Doesn't stink. It's a sandwich keeper. So they have to have the lunch kits. This is the lunch sandwich keeper. That's going to go on Etsy. This is not Tupperware. This is kitchenware. That's garbage. That'll get donated. This This is a strainer. Is this Tupperware? It is. This is Tupperware strainer. Strainer bowl. Oh gosh. I want to say my grandma had this. Pretty sure she kept her bacon in something like this. Here's a Tupperware. You always have to smell the Tupperware. And I hate doing it because eventually I'm probably going to run into something that's going to make me go, ew. So, but yep, got that. It's in the burnt orange color. Oh, sippy cups. Tupperware sippy cups. Make sure it doesn't have sour milk. Nope. Orange Tupperware. These were in lunch kits too. You can put sides in there. This is probably from the 60s, judging from the color. These two colors don't go together. It is Tupperware. Ew. Nope, doesn't stink. Sounded a little crunchy. I was worried. So I'll figure out if I can find the two pieces that those go together. But this would be more appropriate. Nope, no smell. This is the crystal clear Tupperware. Made in Florida. Nope, no smell. Just a little container. This is not Tupperware. This is Rubbermaid. Donate. Oh, cute little Tupperware. Little square. Not sure what you'd put in it. Doesn't smell. Ah! This is an older one. Wow. It has the spout still attached. It is a juice container. I've not seen one with the spout. I'm gonna tell you that I was a Tupperware seller back in the day, weren't we all? And yeah, I have not seen one of these with the spout, but there you go. It's got the spout. Wow, even I'm gonna have to do a little research on that. Rubbermaid, and it's nasty. Donate. Did you even see that? Was it in frame? Rubbermaid. There's bits in it. I'm not opening that. This is Tupperware. This is one of the, this is like sort of like what they went to instead of canisters. This was probably, I want to say, late 80s, early 90s sort of style. You could see what was in there. These stacked. So they would have long ones that had pasta in them, or you could do like nuts and things in these, and then you'd stack them in your cupboard. I remember those. This. The green tumbler. Green Tupperware. It's got the lid. Doesn't stink. Yes. Great green tumbler. That is a Tupperware piece. Where is this? I mean, it's not stained. Doesn't smell. 2.5 cups. This is the newer piece. I want to say it's newer. It's microwavable. Ah, Rubbermaid. Donate. Rubbermaid. Donate. Another Tupperware. One of these. Doesn't smell. And then what do we have? Rubbermaid. Donate. So that's what I got. That's my whole video for these. For my vintage Tupperware. Some goodies that'll definitely end up on Etsy. I know who had this. It's gotta be Grandma. Pretty sure this was my grandma. But yeah, so these are gonna go up on Etsy. So make sure you click the link below if you're looking for any of these pizzas. Oh, and then I almost forgot. So I don't have the base out, but I got 2 of these domes on wooden bases that had a hook in it. And the gentleman told me these were for pocket watches. I'm going to use them to hold Christmas ornaments in my booth because I thought they were really cute ways to display some of the really great vintage Christmas ornaments that I have, and I'll probably sell them too if people want to buy them. So those will go into the booth. But that's everything, so that's not even close to being done with the 100-mile garage sale haul videos, guys. Just wait till you see what else is coming. I do want to keep these videos short because, like I said, I could go on for hours and hours and hours. So thanks for watching, everyone. Put in the comments below what's the best vintage Tupperware score you found. I mean, $3 for an entire bag of mostly Tupperware. Some Rubbermaid. Let me know your best find. Happy Junkin, everyone. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin videos.